Once you stop chasing the wrong things, the right ones catch you. Never depend upon a single income. Life without dreaming is life without meaning. Smile, because nobody cares about your tears. You are the creator of your own destiny.
There is no worship without success.
Make more moves and less announcements. Self-investment is the best investment. Every day is a new opportunity to reach your goal. Cry only for cuts and stitches, not for bastards and bitches. Your mind is a weapon, keep it loaded. Giving the haters another reason to hate. A man with no enemies is a man with no character. The dream is free, the hustle is sold separately. Life is a journey, not a race. Having a soft heart in a cruel world is courage, not weakness. Clap for those who don't give up. We always want what we don't have. Keep that fake love away from me. Once you set a goal, don't let anything get in your way. If your ego speaks, then my attitude replies. Don't talk, just act. Don't say, just show. Don't promise, just prove. I may be crazy, but crazy is better than stupid. They will ignore you now, but trust me, they will need you later. The difference between good and great is the attention to detail. A man without ambitions is like a bird without wings. There is no market for your emotions. Don't advertise them. Those who left us a lesson. Don't think why not. Distance yourself from the people who lie to you, disrespect you, use you, put you down, drag you down.